Hey everybody, welcome to an all new video with Matt. I've been working on my Christmas lights up here on the gutters and roof of my house right here, and I wanted to show a quick little shout out to this product right here that made it super easy to do. This is from Simple Living Solutions. Universal light clips, works on gutters, shingles, and tile. Like, these things are awesome. It made putting up lights so easy, guys. This right here is the 50 pack, but I wound up using a 100 pack, and I had to grab another 50 so I could do this right here. But I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to use these universal light clips when you go to put your lights on your gutters and when you put them on the sides of your shingles right here, guys. So let's go ahead and get started and show you how this stuff works. All right, guys, I'm up here on the roof, and I'm gonna get started with my first one in line, where I'm gonna plug it into right there. This is fresh off of the rolls. You can see this is the C9 bulbs right here. So the best way to do it is, you see this little clip part right here, right? So if you want it to go out like that, you need to mount it so that it's like that right there, facing down. If you're gonna go over a gutter, this part right here is what's going to go over your gutter. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Like I said, I am up here on my roof, and I've only got one hand, so I'm gonna try to be careful to do this. Let's see, might just face it away. All right, super easy. You just clip it through that back thing right there until it locks into place. You can see, nice and tight, right? So then the next thing you're going to want to do is you'll come over just like this. This is your gutter, and I know I need to clean these gutters. You're just going to pop it over, and boom, look at that. Locks right into place right there, guys. So then you just come down to your next one. It'll be nice spaced out, just like that. Put your next clip on. Boom, you're going to clip it to your gutter, and then you're just going to keep going until you get all your gutters down. All right, guys, over here on the side where it's the shingles right here, you can see I've already done a couple right there, and I'm coming on up to the point right there. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I mean. You want your clip part to be facing upward so that your light faces up, and all you literally going to do is come over here. Now you see this little piece right here? When you slide this on to your shingle, it's going to push this back like an adjuster. You see that? It's going to push that back and kind of like lock it in place, right? So let's go ahead and do one right here. Put the little tab over it, push it up to the shingle, space it out where it needs to be, just like that right there, as you can see. And it locks it in place, guys. So I'm going to do a couple of more. Let's go ahead and do another one. Right here, a lot of people get confused on how to do it on the shingle side. So we'll put a clip on, and keep in mind, I'm doing this one-handed. So yeah, got the clip on right there, locked in nice. Come over here, just gonna slide that clip right on there, just like that. Push it on. You need to space it how you need to, just like that. And that's how you do it from the shingle side, guys. And we'll see all the way around with the gutters right there. So I'm going to finish this before it gets too dark on me, and I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. All right, guys, so that is what it looks like when you do it from the shingle side. From down here, that's what it looks like when you follow your gutters around your house. Let's see if I can get it to focus better. It is dark out here, and it doesn't film the best in dark, but there you go. The quick, simple, easy way to get those lights around the roof of your house right there, guys, without using any staples or anything. So be sure to hit that like button down below if this helped you out, if you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Happy holidays.